going to be doing an unboxing of the RØDE mic, and forgive the lighting, I am using all natural light, so I'm just using the windows here. Did you guys hear that? So hopefully having a mic will cancel out any of that. So I bought the RØDE PodMic. Here she is. Let's get straight into unboxing. Oh my gosh, where am I going? I feel nervous. I haven't done a little unboxing video in a while, and I don't even think I posted the last one I did. So, okay, I'm definitely like ripping this to shreds. So a lot of people use this for podcasts, and once I bought it, I started noticing a lot of videos like on Instagram, people would be using these. Now people post their little podcast clips, and I was like, wow, I didn't realize how many people were using this mic until after I bought it. So this is the box. I love that it has a second box because I definitely destroyed the first one. It comes with a 2-year warranty, apparently. Okay, that's great, we'll need that. I also have like a Yeti mic that I never use, which I could show you guys. I mean, I literally never use, but I probably should. Anyways, so it comes with this, which is a quick start guide. Just kind of tells you to like mount it, connect like what cables, and then just tells you to talk or sing into the end of the mic. So, I'm pretty excited. I don't know what it is about buying new gear. Wow, it's heavy. My other one's heavy too, but I'm surprised. Like for a small mic, I didn't expect it to be this heavy. I really like how it looks though. It says QA passed, so they tested it. I'm really curious to test this out. I have a boom arm that I put together yesterday. I'm assuming this goes here. I'm kind of nervous, like what if I'm doing this incorrectly? I don't want to fuck it up. Oh shit, why did it look like it was coming out? Oh my god, it's because my boom arm extends way more than I thought. Okay, let's put that back in. Oops, let's lock that. I'm gonna drop the height on this bad boy. Okay, wow. I really want to test this out. Did it come with the cable? I don't think it came with anything else. Why did I think it came with the cable? Also, it says it has its own internal pop filter. I don't know if I have the wire for this thing. I did buy this wire though. This is an aux cord, I'm pretty sure. I bought this one to go like wearing like a mic headset, but now I'm not so sure. Maybe this is the right thing. Oh my god, wait, I think I can plug this into my microphone. I mean my camera. Oh my god, I'm mad dumb, bro. I don't think this can go in here. I know, I'm not dumb, but like, this isn't the right thing. Okay, I don't know if I have the right cable for this. I thought this came with its own cable. Okay, I probably have my own cable somewhere. I just have to find it. Should we just leave the unboxing at this? Anyways, here's the mic. I'm so sorry I can't test it out for you guys. I guess this is just an unboxing. Let me see if I can figure out if I can test it out. I don't know if I have this cable. Like, I really don't. So where would I even plug in, like, the thing for me to hear what my audio sounds like? There's only one port on this thing. Like, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. That's the only slot I see on this entire thing, okay? And what I'm thinking is like, I mean, maybe there's other people who know how to do this better. And I mean, I don't have a podcast, okay? And I've barely used my Yeti, okay? But with the Yeti, wow, I'm surprised it stood up like that, like this. Oh shit. So like, I could essentially hook up my headphones, the thing to actually wire to your camera, the XLR cable or whatever. This one only has the one. Not me showing it up close now after all of this. Wow, she's cute. I'm kind of blown. Because I know this sounds dumb because it seems like now I didn't do my research. I kind of just was like, yo, this is a great mic. The other mic I wanted, it was like $300 more expensive. Like, I didn't do as much research on this one. I saw a video where a guy was comparing it, and I just talking about how like the quality of the sound is so great with this one, and everybody in the comments was saying that the quality, everything with this one is so great. I didn't really think about the fact that like maybe I should check about all that. They have a newer pod mic. I just thought it was like an updated version of this. Man, I don't know. I didn't think that this was missing some of those like you know, some of the USB ports and the audio jack and whatever the heck. I'm thinking I should return this and just buy the newer mic. The newer mic is like $100 more. This one was already, it's usually $150. I got it for $99. It was on sale. The other mic's like $199. But here's the thing, if I keep this one, I have to buy an interface to go with it. I can't just plug this into my camera. I was under the impression that I could. I thought that I could just and plug it into my camera, you know? So I'm thinking that I'll buy the newer mic, even though that's not necessarily what I wanted to do, because I didn't want to buy the newer mic. First off, I love that this is like silver on black, but also like the price tag on the newer one, you know what I mean? Also like, look, come on, silver on black, like that's my thing, you know what I mean? I guess like I'm gonna have to either buy an interface to go with this, which I feel like it's just so much more work, or I just get the other mic and hook it up to my camera and just life gets easier that way, you know what I mean? And I even watched another video where some guy, he was explaining, he was like, if I could go back, I would get the other one because you can hook it up to your camera directly. Should have seen that before. I think I'm gonna be returning this, so thanks for watching if you guys did. Maybe this is gonna convince you to get the other one as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got something out of this. I definitely did. I'm gonna be returning this. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys when I have my new mic, I guess.